So what do you think about the event today?
Well, what I think there's just too many things. There was a lot of information. I think one of the things that just blew me away is the subject itself, AI, Chat GPT, and all of these things that I was hearing about. You hear the noise of what's going on and people talking about it, and you kind of feel like you're left out. Like, what's happening? Like, tell me about it. And it took me, fly from Hawaii here to actually know what this is all about. And now that I know, it's like the infinity of things. Like, my mind is already like what I can do with this. And just now I started already implementing. I had to answer my boss like an email, and I used Chat GPT. I paid for the plus version, and I'm like, give me a good response for this, and it gave me a really good response. I just added a few things, which Manuel was talking about. You add that human aspect, like yourself. You're teaching it to like how you want it, but it's a tool, so it helped me answer my boss within a minute. So
Wow.
It's pretty cool. It's just overall amazing, I'm very happy.
I love it. What was your favorite part of the event?
Well, I have to say ChatGPT for sure, and all the tools that comes with it. I think overall the best part would have been that, and how AI is applied in present time, like how it's going to change how we make business in general. So I'm working with I want to launch the supplement company with Honeycomb, and because I saw the other conference previously to this, and I signed up for that, and I'm like, I'm very happy. I want to get on board. I want to participate in this, and it just makes me feel that all this makes it possible. It makes it possible, and you have amazing minds, but sometimes you don't have the tools. You don't exactly know how to deliver, and I think delivery is very important.
Yes.
And with this, it's like you will deliver for sure.
I agree, 100%. And last question, how are you planning on implementing what you learned today in your business?
Okay, so right off the bat, it's like also, referring to the conference today, like day one, you're not just listening, and like you're not taking all this information, you're actually like implementing as you go. Like as the conference was happening, I was installing ChatGPT. I was like paying for the plus version. I was doing this, and I was already like using it. And I think the question is like, it's like how I will implement it in my business. I'm already implementing it. So like answered a few emails with ChatGPT. How advertisement for sure. How to put my business out there, how to sound professional, how to be consistent in my advertisement, and how I actually let people know about me. Like make that noise that I want to make, but through this AI, it's just like it's so many, like Manuel was saying, it's a lot of things. It's a lot of things. So I think I'm still gonna be like processing it all day long. But the way I'm to make my answer short, the way I'm going to apply this is to have this the all that's in my mind, put it along with AI, put it out there as fast as possible.
Great. And last question, la última pregunta es en español, puedes contestar en español.
Claro, sí.
Y es una pregunta general, ¿qué te pareció el evento y qué fue lo que más te gustó?
El evento es un evento extraordinario.